Interactions are the effects organisms in a community have on one another. So first, what is a community? We define community as an interacting group of various species in a common location. For example, a forest of trees and undergrowth plants inhabited by animals and rooted in soil that contains bacteria and fungi constitutes a biological community. All species in a community will interact or affect each other in different ways. An interaction can be positive, negative, or neutral. Ecological interactions are classified into two categories, either inter or intraspecific. Intraspecific interactions are the effects that individuals of the same species have on one another. For example, intraspecific competition is a competition between members of the same species, like lots of chimps fighting over a piece of fruit. These members of the same species are competing for the same resources. Or the intraspecific competition could be between two male blackbirds fighting over a female. On the other hand, interspecific interactions are the effects the individual of different species have on one another. For example, interspecific competition may involve different species of plants and trees competing for light. Another example of interspecific interaction is that between the grey squirrel and the red squirrel, who compete over the same habitat. The more aggressive grey squirrel has over time pushed many red squirrel population out of their habitats. Not all these interactions have to be competitive. You'll learn about this in the video of mutualism. To remember the difference between interspecific and intraspecific interactions, remember that international means between lots of different countries. So, interspecific interactions are between lots of different species. Intranational would be within one nation. So, intraspecific interactions involve members of one species.